Yes.
Good day everyone, this is my new education channel for upcoming Forex trader. Actually in this channel I'm gonna share my Forex tips, tricks and profitable thoughts. As you know already, I have a previous channel Binary Alpha for binary option trader. That's a big success from 2014 to 2017 and 18. But from 2019 I'm gonna teach Forex trading through this channel FXHi5. And also there will be another channel called KAZi, that will be my personal channel where I will share my motivation speak and all this stuff. So this year I plan to teach all my previous binary alpha trader Forex trade. I plan to teach Forex trading to all my previous binary alpha trader with me. Already last year I have teach PipTHIEF scalping strategy for Forex successfully, and already few of my students start trading live. Actually this year my plan is to help my previous student in more interesting way. I'm not gonna only teaching PipTHIEF, I will also try to keep a session every single week so I can see how they are progressing, how they are doing in their Forex trading, and that will give me a thought and understanding that how can I help them more to understand this Forex trading and market. So this is very important. I request all my previous 6,500 BA students who still don't know about this, go to our FXHi5 news site and register for PipTHIEF as fast as possible. Yes, I know the price is a bit high, but don't worry, I will send you a coupon code to your email because I have all of your email list. So I will send you an email where you will get all the detail and how to register very easily. Also, very interesting news is while learning, we are opening a service called Signal Service for Forex strategy. With that signal strategy, while you are learning, you will also be able to stay profitable. So my request, don't waste time. If you really want to become a good trader, please register. Go to FXHi5, book your name, register your name, and let's begin the profitable journey this year 2019. And also those who are new in this channel, don't worry, go there, you will find a very easy community. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and push the bell icon to get new tips, tricks and profitable strategy and motivation through this channel for your Forex lifestyle. This is it for the day. KAZi is signing off. See you soon with another interesting video. KAZi.